Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. Artificial intelligence, AI, can be used to manipulate people in a variety of ways, and it is possible that it could be used to turn someone into a terrorist or even a suicide bomber. AI could be used to create targeted propaganda that is tailored to a person's individual vulnerabilities and beliefs. AI could also be used to create fake social media accounts that pose as real people and befriend people who are at risk of radicalization. For example, AI could be used to create deepfakes that are used to spread misinformation or propaganda. AI could also be used to target people with personalized messages that are designed to radicalize them. Additionally, AI could be used to track and monitor people's online activity in order to identify potential recruits. It is important to note that there is no evidence that AI has ever been used to successfully turn someone into a terrorist or suicide bomber. However, it is a theoretical possibility that could be exploited by malicious actors. However, it is important to note that AI is not inherently dangerous. It is a tool that can be used for good or evil, depending on the intentions of the people who are using it. It is important to be aware of the potential risks of AI. But it is also important to remember that AI can be a powerful force for good in the world. Here are some ways to protect yourself from being manipulated by AI. Be aware of the potential for AI to be used to manipulate you. Be critical of the information you see online. Don't automatically believe everything you read, especially if it comes from an unknown source. Be careful about what information you share online. Be vigilant about your online security. Be wary of people you meet online. Don't give out personal information to people you don't know and trust. Be aware of your own biases. We all have biases, but it's important to be aware of them so that they don't cloud our judgment. Talk to people you trust about your concerns. If you're worried about being manipulated by AI, talk to a friend, family member, or therapist. If you or someone you know is at risk of radicalization, there are resources available to help. You can contact the National Hotline for Radicalization at 1-800-626-8923 or visit their website at violencepreventionhotline.org.